खेतों की मट्टी में लाले यमन, मेरे खेतों की मट्टी में लाले यमन, चांद मेरी ज़मीं फूल मेरा वतन, चांद मेरी ज़मीं फूल मेरा वतन। मेरे मल्लाह लहरों के पाले हुए, मेरे मल्लाह लहरों के पाले हुए, मेरे दहका पसीनों के ढाले हुए, मेरे मजदूर इस दौर के कोहकन, मेरे मजदूर इस दौर के कोहकन, चांद मेरी ज़मीं फूल मेरा वतन, चांद मेरी ज़मीं फूल मेरा वतन। मेरे फौजी जवां जुर्रतों के निशान, मेरे फौजी जवां जुर्रतों के निशान, मेरे अहले कलम अज़मतों की ज़ुबान, मेरे मेहनत कशों के सुनहरे बदन, मेरे मेहनत कशों के सुनहरे बदन, चांद मेरी ज़मीं फूल मेरा वतन, चांद
You smell the potency of those roots. And from what I understand, the more pungent the smell, the more potent the medicinal qualities. So ashwagandha has a long history of usage dating back thousands of years. It's most popular in Ayurvedic medicine. It's often referred to as Indian ginseng or winter cherry, and it's said to help reduce stress, relieve anxiety, help with sleep, increase energy, calm the mind, enhance libido, support your immune system, eliminate pathogens from the body, and the list goes on and on. Now, up until this point, I've been able to purchase my ashwagandha online, and that's been great, but I'm really looking forward to trying some of this homegrown ashwagandha. I'm planning on making some tea, making some ashwagandha powder, and some tincture, so stay tuned for that. So here's what I ended up harvesting today. Now I'm just going to chop off the root balls and separate those from the rest of the plant.